Starting your career in cybersecurity. The psychology of hacking and the human elements of cybersecurity are covered, as well as the basics of investigating cybercrime and digital forensics. The aim of the Master of Science in Cybersecurity is to provide graduates with a solid foundation in cybersecurity technologies and practices and a prepared career in the highly sought-after areas of cybersecurity. The program provides hands-on experience in strategies for preventing and detecting cyber threats and vulnerabilities, as well as responding to cyber attacks such as hacking, Trojan horse malware, and ransomware. MCSD, Master of Science in Cybersecurity Diploma. Cybersecurity is an area of expertise in great demand. Become a hero trained to prevent and protect against cyber attacks in all areas of IT with this Master Cybersecurity Diploma. Master of Science in Cybersecurity Diploma (MCSD) is a 3/2-year training and parchment program conducted as an online program, grounded on the eligibility of the pupil. This training and parchment program would lead to employment openings in the cybersecurity function of colorful diligence and sectors. MCSD training program has been developed through inputs from the assiduity and experts in the field. The Parchment in Cybersecurity course is a completely hands-on program with practicals including hundreds of obnoxious and protective tools, labs, and exercises that cover real-world scripts. By rehearsing the practical chops that are furnishing to you in the Diploma in Cybersecurity course, we're suitable to bring you up to speed with the chops to uncover the security pitfalls that associations are vulnerable to. The Master Cybersecurity Diploma (MCSD) is a job-acquainted course and is most suitable for those interested in working in the field of cyber and its security. There exists a great demand for cybersecurity professionals.